Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make canned jam easy guide. Begin by washing and preparing fruit, then chop or mash to your preferred texture. Measure fruit and sugar with a simple ratio to ensure proper set, and prepare a clean workspace with sterilized jars and lids ready to hot fill. Use fresh lemon juice to balance sweetness and help pectin activate for a reliable jam set. Heat the fruit mixture in a wide, heavy pot to concentrate flavors and speed evaporation, stirring often to avoid burning. Once boiling, maintain a strong boil until the jam reaches a proper set, using a chilled plate or a thermometer reading 220 degrees F to confirm. Skim any foam for clearer jars, then remove from heat promptly to avoid overcooking while preparing jars for canning and sealing. Fill hot sterilized jars with warm jam, leaving the recommended headspace and removing air bubbles for a good seal. Clean the rims thoroughly before applying lids and tightening bands fingertips snug to prevent overcompression. Submerge jars in a boiling water bath and process for the time specified for your fruit and altitude, then let jars cool undisturbed until sealed. Label jars with contents and date before storing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.